Welcome back to my channel, guys. Prototypes. Always remember, ideas sparks hope. So guys, this one is an idea: fresh mango on a sandwich. Why not, right? This one, guys, I just saw randomly in a mall. I don't know, guys, this might spark an idea or ideas for you: the packaging, the food. So sometimes it takes, like, this one is mochi matcha tart from Egg Tart Manila. Beautiful, guys, the nature, the walls. Sometimes, guys, we can cultivate hope via being observant, just appreciative. Azulo Cafe and Loaf has 80 pesos, guys, per slice of the whatever cake you like. There's carrot, there's banana, there's hazelnut, cookies, like that, guys. And then, of course, so, well, we ordered, I think, hazelnut, a chocolate, and ube loaf, ube slice. And this one, guys, like signages and murals, wall accents, guys. Shout out to all my loved ones who are artists. This one, what the mom and dad ordered. We were talking over coffee. Wow, hindi that one, guys. Please check out my Discipline in Eating channel and exercise channel. This one, guys. Okay, I was kind of bored and we took a break and I did some sketching of this one from my Tumblr. Minions powered by bananas. However, I said that, guys. I don't know. No, I don't know if that's correct. But this is, of course, trying to sketch a minion right there, guys. So please, I hope you learned something on this video. Always just trying to appreciate around, isn't it? Whatever you can learn, whatever you can hear, using all the senses, right? So this one, guys, so coloring it with a blue ink. And yes, guys, I'm currently recording somewhere out in the outdoors, in the outside the hospital. So because there's music playing in the lobby, that's why I went out. All right, so this one, guys, it's kind of fun doing this. I always use sometimes the back part of a paper or a receipt. I always use a receipt sometimes when I don't have anything to sketch on. I've had sketches before, like usually since I'm a baker, I would sketch like components of a cake, like that. I would randomly stash it somewhere in some notebook and forget about it. Like, I don't gather it. But from now on, I will try to collect. Well, I did when I was small, but now, okay, guys, I don't even know if it looks like a minion, pero spare me, guys. I'm trying my best. Well, mom had crayons because she was trying to do a sketch of whatever we're discussing. But I just borrowed some crayons. I really wanted to just use a regular, blue, black, red ink and some kind of white ink also. Afraid to use colors. I don't know, guys. Maybe I don't know. I'm not any more comfortable, but this one is as plain as the, yellow from the Crayola box. All right. So not sponsored, but somehow maybe one day I look forward. So guys, you see, the color just popped. I don't know. Of course, it's a kind of a yeah, I've been using just black, blue, and red. Okay, so this one, guys, still the leftover cake. Sayang naman, guys, diba? You keep it, put it in the glass, the paper cup. So why not, right? So bring it home, save it, and eat it later or tomorrow breakfast. Yun, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I hope you learned. Now, this one, guys, beautiful from Chibo restaurant in Marikina, since it's the shoe capital. See this one, guys, wall accent. It's actually composed of many shoes, leather shoes. I mean, shoes that was inked or painted with brown and then made into a shape.